All right, so today we have a 1957 Speedster in the shop, a real deal Speedster. Customers owned it for a super long time, since the 60s. We are rebuilding the carburetors on this car. So this has dual Zeniths on it. The car should have Solexes on it, but it's got Zenith, so we're rebuilding the Zenith carburetors, getting these things all back up and running like new again, and then we'll go for a test drive. Okay, so we have got the 57 Speedster running. Carburetors are on right now. Listen to this engine. It's just purring on all 4 cylinders. Let's hear it snap the throttle a little bit. Nice. Let's go for a ride. We'll go drive down Highway 101, make sure this car throttles, idles, runs, drives, and shifts well. It's a little nerve-wracking to drive one of these cars down a little beach city. The Speedster is an interesting car to drive. The shifter is way further forward than your typical 356. But yeah, now we're in 2nd gear and going into 3rd gear. And it sounds awesome. It's idling, it's cruising perfectly. Going to 2nd here, and we'll see if we can catch the idle just right. Oh yeah, it's idling good. And we accelerate through. It's clean. It's clean and crisp. No popping. There's no popping during idle. None of that. So this car is ready to go. Customer's concern on this one was it did not accelerate well, and it was having a hard time idling, and it just didn't have any power. Once we knew it was a carburetor related issue, we went ahead and we pulled the carburetors apart, and we found the accelerator pumps were completely broken and dislodged all the way in the bottom of the bore of the accelerator pump. And so we got it all running and operating again, and the customer's really gonna like this car because before the car, it came in on a tow truck. You couldn't drive it. This 57 Speedster is ready for the road again.